In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enrol to the MCS Made Easy online course. So you would have been sent an email with a URL link to click on and a key code. So once you activate the enrolment link that you're sent, you will land on the Learning Lounge. If you already have a Learning Lounge user account, you can log in with it. If you don't, click on Create a Free Account, put in an email address, password needs to have a mix of uppercase, lowercase and numbers. And just your first name and last name. And we're going to confirm. Now it's asking for the enrolment code, which is in the email that you would have been sent. Paste it in. Press enroll and confirm. And then just finally select. And you will land on the MCS course landing page. If ever you log in and you don't arrive on this page, you will alternatively be arriving on the classic standard dashboard of the Learning Lounge. You can launch the units from here, but I strongly advise clicking on the Suites tab, clicking on the MCS Easy online course there, and that will take you back to the course homepage. Thank you very much.